Hello everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to fix SIM not supported and SIM not valued problem. You can see iOS 14.6 on this iPhone. For the check, I'm using active carrier SIM card. Install SIM card on your iPhone. See guys, this iPhone has SIM not supported problem because this phone is not fully unlocked.
In this case, you cannot use any SIM on this iPhone.
But no problem, we have a solution. We can use wide SIM bypass for bypass this problem. See guys, this is a wide SIM you can use for bypass this activation problem. And if you don't have a wide SIM, you can order to us. You also can comment. Okay, then remove the SIM card. Install wide SIM on your iPhone. And active your phone like this.
Remove wide SIM and install any active carrier SIM which you want to use because your iPhone was successfully unlocked. Now you can use any SIM card anywhere, anytime.
And now your iPhone is unlocked. You can use any SIM card on this iPhone. but don't restore and don't update this phone. If you do this, you have to use again white SIM.
So thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel. I need your support.